G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, and the white that you can see there is the reflections of the light. Some of these have been rubbed. Basically they're faces of opal. It's been cut and rejected for some reason, maybe not enough colour for what they wanted. That's what happens with miners when they are on good material. The lower grade stuff, which this is, they don't care about so much because they're after the bigger money. And they go looking for this after they've ran out of the good stuff. But like that needs to just be cut off there for a stone, and perhaps another little long stone there. Not a lot of colour in that piece, just a nice bluey grey pattern. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers!